a hazardous pair. Having two potent storms active for days in the western Atlantic Ocean has proved to be destructive and deadly. The storm fueled flooding rain in Cuba, where 2 people were killed. According to Prime Minister Manuel Marrero, one of those killed was a 60-year-old man who died when his home collapsed in a landslide caused by heavy rain. According to the Associated Press, tropical storm Imelda lashes the Bahamas with wind, rough surf and heavy rain. SCV Bahamas video. Despite never making landfall in the U.S., Imelda was deadly there too. A 51-year-old man drowned in Volusia County, Florida, after being swept into the ocean by rip currents. The sheriff's office said, in North Carolina's Outer Banks, at least 6 homes collapsed into the ocean. The National Park Service said, coastal erosion from previous storms, combined with the twin power of Imelda and Humberto, left little buffer between these homes and the unrelenting surf. The homes, which had been teetering on stilts as waves battered their support structure, were unoccupied when they fell. The Park Service said on Facebook, warning of the presence of potentially hazardous debris. Coastal flooding is possible from Florida's Space Coast to North Carolina's Outer Banks Wednesday, where onshore winds could push water 1 to 2 feet above normally dry ground at high tide.